Hello everyone, welcome to Data Chronicles. Let's solve a couple of medium difficulty level questions asked in Uber. So the first one is employees year in service. Find employees who have worked for Uber for more than 2 years and check to see if they are still part of the company. Output yes if they are and no if they are not. Use May 1st, 2021 as your date of reference when calculating whether they have worked for more than 2 years since their hire date. Output the first name, last name, whether or not the employee is working for Uber, and the number of years at the company. So in this question, we need to identify two things, whether the employee has worked for more than 2 years or not, and if that employee is still with Uber or not. So we have this data table, first name, last name, and employee ID, and hire date and termination date. So we need to work around these columns. Salary is not relevant over here to solve this question. So if a person is working with Uber, termination date will be null, and we have to use May 1st, 2021 as the date of reference of calculating the years spent at Uber. So what we'll do is we'll first impute the null values with May 1st to calculate the years spent. So let's start coding first. So we can add a new column, Uber employees years spent is equal to Uber employees Uber employees termination date, and we'll fill the null values using fill any function with May 1st, 2021 0501, and we'll have to calculate the difference between hire date and termination date. So over employees hire date. So this will give us the difference between these two dates, and what we'll do is um, just a second, over employees termination minus and we'll convert this into um have I done something wrong? Yeah, so maybe we need not do this. Yeah. So over employees termination date, fill any with this. There has to be a hyphen over here, and we'll just convert this into days using dt.days, and to get it in year we'll just divide it by 365. So let's run the code, and yeah, so now we are getting the year spent with Uber. So what we'll do is the next thing is to understand whether the employee has left Uber or not. So for that, we'll create another column, Uber currently working, sorry, data frame name Uber employees, and the column name currently working is equal to, if the termination date is null, that means that the person is still working. If it is not, that means the person has left the company. So we'll use conditions like we can use np.where over employees. Um, if termination date is null, then we'll print yes. If not, then we'll print no. So in output, we have to get these column first name, last name, and mm, currently working and the number of years spent. So we'll just use those over and over employees. Over employees and then the columns first name, last name, and currently working, and years spent. So let's run the code. Um, okay. Yeah, I just misspelled this. Is null. Yeah. So let's check the solution. Um, so there. I didn't apply the condition of more than 2 years. So first, I'll have to apply one condition. Mm, mhm, mm, mm, Rewrite it again. Over employees. Over employees. Years spent is greater than 2, and now we'll retrieve the columns. First name, last name, currently working, and years spent. So let's run the code. Yeah, so this one is accepted. So for more videos like this, do consider subscribing. Thank you.